Voting fuckery has been in place since back in the day when we realized we should have rights too. One of the provisions of the Constitution of the United States of America said that all men are created equal. Somehow it only applied to a certain race of people who considered themselves the masters, and everyone else was their property. That was fuckery. The U.S. Congress ratified the 15th Amendment to the Constitution in 1870, guaranteeing African Americans the right to vote. This amendment states that the right of citizens of the United States to vote shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or by any other state on account of race, color, or previous conditions of servitude. So what is Florida and Ohio trying to prove? Sounds like we're being told, fuckery you. A United States politician stated that the Republicans do not oppose President Barack Obama because he's not a good leader, nor do they oppose him because he hasn't brought forth change or have made a tremendous difference in his 3 years and 11 months of service. But yes, they oppose him because of the color of his skin. Who the fuckery do they think they are? We've marched carrying protest signs. We've endured being sprayed with fire hoses. We've been attacked by police dogs just for the right to vote. We were beaten, maimed, hanged, tarred, and feathered, and killed just to be able to place a check mark next to a person's name that we thought might treat us fairly. We've come a long way from where we began and still have a long way to go. We can't use excuses to stop our success. We will not let them stop us. So this message has been put together to flip the fuckery script. 4 more years, President Obama. 4 more years. This message has been approved by Carol Beck McClendon.